I want to tell you about the difference between follow links and no follow links. This is a concept that is created by Google only, and they use it as a way for a website owner to be able to pass link strength or not, right? So as a website owner, you can decide whether a link that you're making to some other place passes on link strength. In Google terminology, it's called link juice. And the way it works is every page on the internet is determined by Google to have a certain amount of strength, which is also based on the incoming links and domain authority of that site, right? So every page has a certain strength, and that link strength is divided by all the links that it points to, right? So if you point to, let's say you have a link strength of 100 and you point to 5 different websites, well, guess what? Each of those links gets 1/5 of the strength, approximately, right? But you can decide whether some link should pass no link strength and all the links strength goes to the other links. So why is this important? It's important when you are getting a link. You should know whether the link passes link juice to your website. And let me just show you how to find a follow versus a no follow, and basically be able to tell which links are follow versus no follow. Now we're looking here at my Twitter profile, and you can see that there's a lot of links here. I put some links in my little description. I put a link in this right here to my website, and every tweet I make has a link, right? And let's go through these and let's examine whether they're follow or no follow. And here's how you do it. So I'm on the Chrome browser. When you are on the Chrome browser, you go View, Developer, View Source, and you're going to get a lot of HTML. A lot of HTML. What we're going to do, and I'm going to increase the size of this for you guys so you can see this better. I'm going to do Control F, and I'm going to do href, which is the HTML markup for links, right? And you can see this is a style sheet. This is not what we're interested in. And by the way, you can see here on top there's 278 or 60. Okay, let's just go. I'm just going to narrow down my search a little bit, as you can see, so that I get to the relevant links. And so there are 39 links on the page. And I'm going to go to the next one. This is still not relevant. This is not relevant. And we're soon going to get to some of the relevant ones. This is an ad. Still not relevant. Okay, now we're getting to some good stuff, right? Because this is actually some of the links, like to my website, right? You see, it's a link right here to Problemio, to my website. That's the HTML for this link here, Problemio, right? And you can tell right away. It says, rel, no follow. Okay? If you see this no follow, it passes no link juice, right? So what does that mean? And you can literally go through every other link in here, and you can take a look at it. Let's go to see another one just to, somewhere down the page. Maybe, let's see. I want to get to the links of my, so this is the HTML for one of my tweets. And in here somewhere, it's a little bit of a mess, but in here you get, see, the links are no follow, right? You see that? It's no follow. So this is, social sharing doesn't necessarily pass link juice as we know it. It's still valuable for SEO because, social sharing is a different kind of a sign of quality, because people are sharing it. That means it must be good, but it doesn't pass link juice, right? And here we're concerned with this no follow thing. And here you can see that all the links essentially that I post are no follow. So if you actually want to get this link juice from the page, it's not going to happen to you in this way. And you can examine every other page on the internet in the same exact way and find the links in the HTML that are the links to your page and see if they're follow or no follow. And sometimes you can even ask the webmaster to, if it is a no follow, to change it to, to erase that no follow clause, so it can be a good link that passes link juice to you. And that's something you should kind of keep in mind when you're getting your links, because you may be thinking you got a good link, but it's a no follow, right? So that's something you want to always watch. Are the links from a website, are they follow or no follow? If they're no follow, like, you don't really get a lot of the benefit of, that you would get if it was a follow link. And I want to just make a small caveat that this is only a Google thing. And because of that, it's up to Google how they interpret it, right? So this is just a suggestion that a webmaster makes to Google. Now, how Google actually reacts to this and how their algorithm uses this, varies very much on a case-by-case basis, and I think it's like everything with Google is very complex. So it's just a rough guideline, I would say. I'm sure they count some of the no-follow links because of the other attributes of those links, and so you can still get other benefits from a no-follow link, just maybe not passing that link juice that every page can potentially pass.